Surge of new COVID-19 cases is showing no sign of letting up anytime soon. Check out the latest numbers now from the Erie County Department of Health. Health officials are reporting an additional 582 cases of COVID-19 on Saturday. That brings the 7-day total up to nearly 4,300. Compare that to the 391 new cases reported in Erie County on Friday. That's a 1-day jump of nearly 200. The 7-day positivity rate in Western New York is now well up over 10%. It's the only region in the state with double digits. The Finger Lakes region, which does include Genesee, Orleans, and Wyoming counties, is now up over 9.5%. The statewide average is just over 4%. Erie County Medical Center is reversing course when it comes to patient visitation guidelines. ECMC officials say all of this is because of historically high inpatient volumes, extended wait times in the emergency room, and the increasing number of COVID-19 patients. So here are the new rules. Only one designated inpatient visitor per day is permitted. Patients with COVID-19 are not allowed to have any visitors unless they are gravely ill. New visiting hours are from 1 to 7. Phone and video calls can be arranged, and all visitors are required to comply with ECMC's screening checkpoint procedures and must wear a mask at all times while in the hospital. ECMC is urging anyone experiencing mild symptoms to first consult with their primary care physician or visit an urgent care location. Well, tonight we're hearing from some local leaders who are opposing Erie County's mask mandate. Town supervisors in both West Seneca and Marilla are against the requirement, which applies to everyone over the age of 2 inside any public building. Reporter Ryan Arbogast has more on how those leaders are handling the situation.
It's been about a week since the mask mandate was announced in Erie County.
I don't know that it's enforceable, short of having, a guard at the door, which is not a reasonable thing to do.
Sandy Grunsweg owns the Marilla County store, and she says they will follow the mask rules.
That would be nice.
To mask up.
I would hope it would be business as usual plus a mask.
She tells me her business has become a target, losing money from a conflict they didn't create and can't resolve.
We are trying to respect opinions and trying to do what's best for our business, and somehow we're turning out to be a scapegoat to this issue that it's above our pay raise.
Marilla is one of 2 areas in Erie County that's seen its leaders speak out against the county-wide mandate.
We are not going to comply. It's nonsense. We don't want to comply, and what are we going to do about it?
Marilla's town supervisor says that they will not enforce the mask mandate, going against the county executive's order. And on the other hand, the town of West Seneca also speaking out. Their town supervisor saying the county needs a better plan to battle COVID-19, but they'll follow the rules anyway.
There are states in the United States that have lower vaccination rates and don't have any mandates, yet have lower incidence of infection, death, etc.
The county executive originally saying they have been looking into ways of enforcing mask violations.
Instead of the business being fined, the individual who's violating the mask order be fined. We're not certain we can do that, but we are looking into it. We just want everyone to comply.
But since then, only speaking on the supervisors via these statements to 7 Eyewitness News, saying, quote, "It's a shame when an elected official values political posturing over protecting the health and the safety of their constituents." You can find the rest of the county's response on WKBW.com. In Marilla, Ryan Arbogast, 7 Eyewitness News.